When it comes to heating and cooling systems in the Chesapeake area, people know to rely on the experienced professionals at Sawyers Heating and Air Conditioning to take care of them. We're dedicated to offering efficient and reliable service, as our experienced technicians are trained and equipped for new installations as well as maintenance and repair. Offering a variety of services that includes repair, installation, and preventive maintenance, we provide free estimates on our work so you know what you're paying for. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. If you're not satisfied long after the job is complete, we will be there to service it. Day and night, we are here for you. Contact us to schedule an appointment and let us go to work for you.